We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam in an HP CP1518. So first thing, if it says you have a jam in tray 1, right here you're going to see a 1 and a 2. This 1 you're going to lift this up and then you're going to pull your tray out, and then right here you have these little tabs. You push it down and then your paper will be right there. You just gently pull it up and out. Remove your paper, then you can click this back into place. Put your tray back in. And if you had your jam in tray 1, that will clear it. If it says that your jam is in tray 2, what you're going to do is you just remove your tray, and it has 2 right there. So you just pull that out, and then the paper should be right there. You just pull it gently up and out. Then, if it says that your jam is in your fuser or your output tray, that's going to be in the back. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pull this. It's going to be kind of tricky. You pull it down, and be careful back here because it will be really hot because your fuser's back here. But you're going to take the paper and you're going to pull it gently up and out. Those should clear your jams. If you're still having issues after you clear your jams, you may need to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of a quote or any supplies, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.